Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So, my phone just updated and I really don't like what it did to the camera. So, yeah. Before the update, if I was shooting a video, it would give me like a 10-second head start so I could like collect myself, and now it doesn't do that. It still does that for photos, but not for the not for videos. And I don't like that at all. Samsung, what you doing to me? Anyway, so today I am going to be talking to you guys about my no-buy update. So, let's just say this month was not a good month for the no-buy. I know so it's the very first month of my no-buy. It's supposed to go from February to June 1st, from February 1st to June 1st. Now, let's just say I kind of already failed, but that's okay because I can just get right back started. So first things first. I want to mention that KL Polish is going out of business. As you guys know, it is my favorite nail polish brand. So I did purchase 39 nail polishes. And after discussing it with some friends and my husband, we decided that this was not going to go against my no-buy because literally for the sole fact that it's going out of business and it's not something I'll be able to ever purchase again in the future. So, it is not going against my no-buy, so that did not break my no-buy. Now, I did order some replacement items. I ran out of my hair oil and I ran out of my hair serum, so I repurchased those. Now, my no-buy allows me to buy replacement items as long as I have no items in that category, which I didn't, so those did not break my no-buy. And in my rules, I put that I am allowed to buy the Sultry palette from ABH and the Soft Glam palette from ABH under circumstances, such as it's been such a really bad day and nothing's really perking me up, or in the case of a palette is 50% off or more. And as of right now, at the time that I'm filming this video, the Sultry palette is on sale 50% off at Sephora, Macy's, and Ulta. So I did order one off of Ulta.com. So again, that did not break my no-buy. But unfortunately, I did break my no-buy. I'm going to tell you what I bought that broke my no-buy. I do have everything that broke my no-buy here, so I am going to get into it. Now, I want you to understand something. Both Adam and I have been very sick this month, and I think that's part of the reason why I broke my no-buy, because when I'm sick, I'm at home, I'm doing nothing, or if Adam's sick, I'm at work, overworking, and that's my life. So I think I just needed something to take my mind off of everything, and purchasing is what has always been my go-to. So let me just tell you what I ordered first, what I bought first, and then I'll go into what my plan of action is for the upcoming months. So the first thing I got was a Walmart's Favorite box. They have like 5 or 6 going on at Walmart right now, and they're very inexpensive. It's $9.88 for between 6 to 8 products per box. So I got the Glow Like a Pro box. I already took everything out and put them in their proper places, so they're not actually in the box. But it includes the e.l.f. Poreless Primer, the Hard Candy Body Illuminizer, the Hard Candy Matte Setting Spray, the Found Stardust Illuminating Makeup Setting Spray, the Maybelline Master Prime Hydrate and Smooth Primer, mini Milani highlighter, and a mini Milani blush. Now I bought this because it had the most cruelty-free items out of all the boxes, I believe, except maybe the lip one. But I really didn't want the lip one at that moment because I just did my lip declutter. So I didn't really want to add what I just took away. But I know that I'm using up 2 primers right now, and even though I still have a good amount of primers to go through, I started feeling that I'm using up a product. I need to replace it. So out 2 primers go and 2 primers come. And I really need to stop thinking of that mentality where I still have so many primers to go through. So the Maybelline Master Prime I will use up right away once that Maybelline one is gone. It is just a mini size, so it should not take that long to go through in theory. I did go onto the makeup group that I'm in. It's the What's Up in Makeup group on Facebook. It's run by Jen from Jen Loves Reviews. She's awesome. And I asked if, you know, in a favorites box, if there was a non-cruelty-free item and you are cruelty-free, if you would still buy it, and 90% of the people said yes. So that's what made me decide to go for it. Now, I got 3 things at Ulta on National Lash Day, and they are the Kiss Magnetic Lashes. Now, I got these because while I love lashes, I don't like wearing them on a weekly basis because the glue gets stuck in my eyelashes a lot, and it'll stay in my lashes for a couple days. And especially while I'm at work. Now, I work at a nursing home. I'm an LNA. That kind of looks a little rough. And I try to be as professional as I can be in a medical atmosphere. So I did purchase the Kiss Magnetic Lashes. They were 50% off on National Lash Day. So I bought the 3 styles that were on sale. This one is in 7. And this is very similar to the Kiss lashes that I wear normally, right? These ones? Oh, no, not these ones. Okay, 2 is similar to the ones I wear. They're not exact, but they are similar. So I got 2, and I also got 1, which is a little bit more natural looking. Now, I got magnetic lashes because I love doing bold looks on my eyes. But my eyelashes, as you can see, they don't really exist. So when I do a bold eye look, I need lashes. And where I don't want to wear lashes on a week-to-week basis, I've kind of stopped doing my more intense eye looks, and that's making me very upset. And it's making it so I don't even want to do my makeup half the time. So I thought this was going to be a good investment, and so I'll be able to start doing my bold looks again and be able to wear lashes again without having the issue of the glue. Now, the last 2 things I bought are these Cargo Swimmable eye pencils. I got these at Ocean State Job Lots. They were $3 a piece. So this one is a purple color. It's actually funny because the packaging resembles the Milani and the Urban Decay. So this is in the shade Caron Beach, and it's just a really nice purple color. And I also got one in this shade Dorado Beach. And it's like a goldy, like a shimmery bronze color. And I've never tried anything from Cargo, and I wanted to try something from Cargo. When I saw that these were on sale at Ocean State Job Lots for $3, I decided to bite the bullet and do it, not even realizing what I was doing till after the fact. Because honestly, I went to Ocean State to get a crimper, that's the word I was looking for, and some more cough drops. And that's all I was planning on doing, and then like a snack for work. And that was it. And somehow I ended up leaving with 2 eyeliners as well. I want to reach the point where I can go into the makeup aisle and literally not buy anything. Not because nothing's interesting to me, but because I don't want to. But so here's my plan for future months. I think I need to find other hobbies. I love makeup. I'm really good at makeup, and I love doing YouTube, and I love doing makeup for YouTube, and it's something I really enjoy. But I think I need to find other hobbies for me to do instead of shopping, because that's my go-to, is I'll just shop. So I'm going to be exploring that. I've actually posted on my Facebook group, on my Facebook page, talking about how I'm going to start reading again, and how a couple years ago I did a TBR, or a to be read list video on my YouTube channel, and then nothing ever came of it. So I think I want to start doing those types of videos again as well. So I also got a sketchbook, some sketching pencils, and some colored pencils to start drawing as well, because I used to love drawing when I was younger. But then I became friends with one of my best friends, and she is an amazing artist. I will link her website down below if she still has it. If not, I will definitely link her Instagram. She's just really good, and you know, it always got me really discouraged, and then it just made me stop. And that seems kind of silly, because it was something I enjoyed for a long time. So month 1 of the no buy didn't go so well. Like I said, $9.98 on that. The 3 lashes in total with shipping was a little over $30, and then the 2 eyeliners was $6. So about $50. Not bad considering how much I've spent on beauty products in the past each month, but definitely not where I wanted to be. I was hoping that I could say that literally the only thing that I purchased this month was replacement products, and unfortunately that was just not the case. But that's okay, because now I can step up to the beginning of March and say, yo, I got this in the bag. So that is my no buy update, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Comment down below if you did, hit the thumbs up button, and in the comments tell me how your no buy is going if you are doing a no buy, and hit the notification bell if you want to see more videos from me, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye.